Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Roblox tickets. For many years, Roblox featured a unique virtual currency known as tickets, often abbreviated as TICs. These tickets served as a fundamental part of the platform's economy, allowing millions of players to engage in various transactions. They were a distinct way for users to participate in the game's marketplace and acquire digital goods. Earning tickets was quite straightforward for players. Simply logging in daily and visiting your personal place would grant a small amount. Furthermore, creators could earn tickets by selling their own game passes and developer products within their experiences. Once accumulated, these tickets could be spent on a wide array of items, from stylish accessories for your avatar to powerful gear and even access to exclusive games. Over time, Roblox made a significant decision to transition its virtual economy. The platform decided to phase out tickets, aiming to simplify and streamline its currency system. This change meant that Robux became the single, primary virtual currency for all transactions. During this transition, players were given the opportunity to convert their existing ticket balances into Robux at a predetermined exchange rate, ensuring a smooth shift for everyone. Although tickets are no longer an active currency, their legacy remains an important part of Roblox's history. They provided a distinct way for players to engage with the platform's economy, encouraging creativity and participation. The eventual shift to a single currency, Robux, ultimately simplified the marketplace, making it more consistent and easier to understand for millions of users worldwide.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.